Dumelang sanibonani emakhaya, igama lami uLinda Haniso Tondoshe, and we are here to reflect on
Steps of Unity.
Steps of Unity.
Yes.
By the way, guys, I'm the guest presenter. I'm not used to these things, but anyway, I'm here with Putluyanda Pilisa, MKA, aka MK. Yabona ligama? Yeah.
MK.
Yeah, here I am, Dwana, Ngubuyile futhi. Oh, it feels good to be on this side of the couch, ne?
Yeah.
And you on the hot seat.
Yeah,
Let me be
yeah.
grinding you with questions.
It's fine.
Yeah, how are you doing, brother?
Zanelis, I'm good actually. Yeah, I'm good. Taking it is it one day at a time or one step at a time? I don't know.
Any of those.
Yeah.
Ngiyakubona Khlo.
Kuthiwa xa uyindoda isuka nguklo. Kuthiwa xa uyindoda you are always at war. Yabo? So vele ke we are at war vele singamadoda. So that's why I'm saying one day at a time. Yeah.
Why not as human? We care to be as indoda. Caba thina we're not at war.
I'm not
But
just
anyway,
human, indoda.
Asikhapha chom.
I can only speak for men. Yes.
Okay, I know stress mganam. Tell me, it's something that I think Dakbuza, even when we spoke, when I heard ukuthi before we spoke,
Yeah.
I think ngayizwa ngiseyindaweni ezikanje. Wena umnganakho nawe uthi ufuna ukuya e-Eastern Cape ngenyawo and so on and so on. I'm like, manje amazulu yanda sisitutshu uyazibhudela ngawo. Hlale kuyingane so it's nothing. The following day is a Sunday. Papalazi ngenzani nje ekhaya. Yafika le ndaba futhi ukuthi uyabona ngithi hayi man guys, you can't be serious. Ngithi ngizobona makayipost nyamazi yama makayipost akufikazi. Then boom, I think bekusele 2 days I'm like, hayi indaba is serious. So what really came into your mind ukuthi na man ngayishaya le nyawo zami?
Mfethu ezisiphila siphile enkathini ezi-hectic enkathini ezine-pressure too much. With the hustle that I'm doing, growing in demand and all of that, I've tried to write some applications ngicela uncedo like in terms of equipment kunye nokuba mobile, because in most cases I'm called outside Thokoza.
Yeah.
I don't have a car, ngiyastruggle ukufika, and then noma like ngishoot i-podcast, even though sila endlini siyashuta kumele ngishuta ekuseni abantwana besikole basesikoleni. Once babuya there's gonna be noise engangeke ngikhona ukuyi-control and all of that yabo. And ngiyayithanda le nto engiyenzayo. So I was like, what is it that I can do actually engadonsi i-attention yabantu yabo? Because there's a lot of things that I want to do, that I want to achieve, but then there has to be a starting point. With uspanning is pusher, I know the success we approach her faster when you've got abantu abaninzi that are looking at what you are doing. Kuba easy for even abantu that can invest into your hustle or your business. Kuba easy to identify, oh no, this is something that's happening, let's go there. So I wanted something nami ezawenza ukuthi very singilana nje, and then all eyes on me. Intondo ke.
Okay.
Yeah.
So wakhetha ukuyishaya ngo-2. Athi nje ngikhethe inyawo zami.
Ngikhethe inyawo
zami ndise.
Ukhumbula uba bebesebekhona, like bakhona abantu already that are doing these walks and all of that.
Yes.
But few bayabaleka abawokha ayi-1.
Yeah, and as few as bebaleka and most of I believe that most of abasebenzile before wena, they already had exposure and support. So when you just went solo with, it was just
nothing.
It was just you.
I wanted to actually introduce myself before anything else. Because if ever benyize, let's say with partners, I don't think anyone would have actually got interested because because already following say like
Yeah,
yabo.
yeah.
I cannot say I'm struggling with transport accommodation in
Okay.
iwork yami ibe simple because I'm gonna be accommodated nazo zonke lezo
Yes,
zinto,
yes,
yabo.
yes.
Because I remember even kuma interviews that we have had during iwork, I was saying ukuthi I'm expressing the struggles that we are facing as a content creators.
Okay, okay.
Yabo. Because I knew ukuthi if ever I wanna do it, no matter the difficulties, the pressures engizohlangabezana nazo endleleni, I'm gonna do it and it's possible. Yabo. So that was a message even to abantu that would like to invest PMK or myself in the future.
Yeah,
To say
yeah.
if he said uzoyenza into so, nothing is gonna stop him. For as long as aphefumula, he's gonna do it.
Yeah,
Yabo.
yeah.
So that is why I'm even saying now, remember, I don't even have a bicycle in but already
Can you
there's
ride
a
a
post.
bike though?
Yeah, I can.
Oh, okay.
Namaskars with bicycle
Okay.
because I
Okay.
bicycle yodwa, yeah, I can.
Okay, okay.
Yabo.
So tell me, because it's a cool ane, okay. The cool and I think when I first saw you, azange kubona phakathi ukuthi ngikhula phakathi. I wouldn't say ndikubona belokishini sidlala or whatsoever. It was boom at church. Bona this guy and ngelo xesha nandisanda uqala the spiritual dance group whereby ubuqinile brainyo zakho zisithi uba zeze kick and boboze kuyala kusibasathi jump utshone le hayi inyawo zakho zibethenge uyowa phaa. That's when I knew of Ulianda before I knew MK. It was praise and worship, ushering, yeah. Besiyibo labo sizenza ngcwele
Yeah.
sonke sase innocent. How did you, when did you gain the love of a content? Because that is when I thought, okay, this guy is going to be this gospel singer and so on, celebrity-wise, you understand?
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
boom, you surprised me with content. Kenya's bonus but content creation, MK and stuff. How did that come about?
Yo. Okay, let me get to the part here, content. Maybe it's just okay.
I
Because
read
I got
about
so
you.
much interested. Yes, it's okay. But yes, ngiphume ethokoza mfethu.
Yes.
Ne? In a small community, abayibiza ikholabana.
Yes.
It's in a history that is very rich, and
Way too much.
way too much. And it's told ngendlela bonke. Yabo? To a point where even people abahlala apha eThokoza abahlala apha, they do not like really know ukuthi kahle kwenzeka ntoni
Yes.
yabo. So that's where istamp sokuthi I'm gonna stick with content creation came about. Okay, you know what? I wanna tell a story of where I'm coming from. It's a community yabo. Because as much as one might say, okay, today Ichogoza is underdeveloped today, but we were once elikhulu kakhulu, and the leadership yasibulala.
Yeah.
And now we are at a peak season kakhona sazama ukuregain that dignity we have had back in the days.
Yes,
Yabo?
yes.
We need these stories to be told, and to be told by abantu baseThokoza. Yabo? People abazozichaza le story not for the sake ukuthi I want viewership, I want I want
Yeah.
People who are going to unfilter these stories abazozichaza ngale ndlela ezimali, because we deserve the dignity there as iThokoza.
Yes.
Yabo? So i-signature yam or i-stamp sami sokubloma kwi-content creation sida. But the initial idea nje yokungena kwi-content creation, I remember when I decided to buy a camera, bekuzimama mfethu. Bekuzimama. Sure. Yeah, I tell you, bekuzimama. When I was at church, Diggy worship team, I got comfortable ngale nto yokushelwa ngamantombazana.
Okay.
Yabo? I
Okay.
tell you, I got
Okay.
comfortable ngale nto leyo. Uyayiclock or uyizwa?
Look at it.
Yeah. being comfortable leyo nto leyo, okay, things happened, i-church yaphuma kum and all of that. And then how do I maintain this thing yokuba ndiyajola, because sendiqhelela lokuba mandibe kuma-relationships and stuff to a point where umuntu iyatswafa nokushela because akanawo nalama punchlines. Ngiqhele ukuthi imama zinigaya the easy way in. Yeah, yabo.
But kumele basotshadile mazwena.
Yeah, hayi ngeke bayamfutshata.
Okay.
Yabo. So when I bought the camera, I knew the powers cameras nazo. First of all, okay, basically I'm gonna have the very same benefits I was having by the time bendi worship team. Kumbuli stage besithi manduisa mantombazana. I was in mature ngaleyo ndlela leyo, yabo, back then. So wonke umuntu yonke imama izwakala kuwe.
Plus you had a voice.
And I had a voice ngapha. So
maybe you sasenite, do you?
I still in such a wooden fit. So
Okay.
So I had an opportunity yokuchoose a type of a mama enifuna ukuba nayo ngelo xesha, yabo. So mawusuka kada, and then I knew ukuthi ifame yenifakela abantu.
Okay.
Yeah. So man senisuka da sendazibuza ephi ndezophinda indenze famous in a way yokuba ngizoba amongst imama still, because ngizithandela imama, yabo. I-camera sibari, you're gonna get ama models, ama in kadayo, yabona le ama-Portuguese, yabo. So wonke izimama. So yeah, ndangena kwi-photography kanjalo. Sticka kwi-photography, I did ama pictures and stuff. I saw man ukuthi ikhona imali kayi.
Oh yeah, I remember my first photo shoot ever.
Yeah.
It was on Heritage in Shanghai, ban in an oven with my mom. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I started same day. Yeah, I started
that was
on
your
a
first time?
That was my first time.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
ndafunda ngani basically. Yeah, wasayenza lento le. But then man, I was like, nah. If photography could actually be a career, because imali yangena ene usadinga ntoni enye. I was like, no, let me take this thing serious. But if ever I'm gonna take it serious, akumelanga ibe nestain samantombazana sukuthi humanizer le because obviously when people are coming to take pictures bayakutrust abanye bazokhulula because they want those
like
your naked photo shoots and stuff. So I started learning discipline ke ngoku ukuthi okay, ndandenza khona imali, no pussy is going to be child digada.
Yes.
Unless it's outside photography, and then we get up. But if ever you're coming to me and as a photographer in a business, you are a client, and then we are in business. And then it was easy and quick to adapt to that, because I also discovered man, I don't need these things to do with him.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
And
yabo.
plus maturity. Wow.
Yeah. So yeah, man, your content creation. And then obviously there's so many opportunities as content creation.
Yeah.
Your brandings, your advertising, your
Yes.
yabona. You'll never know. Some snini company so ingavela and say they're giving you a contract to go to CISO advertiser for 12 months or so.
True.
Yabona, there is employment on my terms. Yabona, instead of waking up mu 6 noma ngafuni going to work kyanetha ngikhathele and all of that. Now I have a choice. If I want to shoot a podcast this week, I'm going to. If I want to rest this week, I'm going to. Yeah. So I think that's one of the things now let me stick with podcast, because I get to be myself. I get to work my own way. I get to express myself. I get to do mistakes, ngizikhuze mina, and then learn from them myself pace yami. So content creation became my heart, man.
So now tell me, on your way, when it was 783 kilometers?
783 years.
Okay. So on your way, what are the challenges that you came across?
Isuke xa ndibala imbombozi yamanzi apha endlini. I was putting ndandiyibeke up, I tell you. Ndandiyibeke up. Ikhona enye imbombozi endayiqhwaka kumama eTupperware.
Okay, the
The
big
1
ones,
liter, the big one.
abobhumbhaqa laba,
Yeah.
Okay.
so ndandizixelela uba ndizophatha le yambombuzi yiyo ndizomane ndirefila kuyo amanzi and stuff.
Okay.
So nyani ngebusuku ndifaka amanzi efriji ndalungiselela uhambo lwam, and then the following morning ndiyavuka big tripod ndiyahlamba ndiyagqiba ndishaya content. Okay guys, ndiyaphuma and stuff, ndiwabeke apha amanzi, thatha izikhwama zam ndiyahamba mna, ndishiya wonke lo manzi ndiwalibele mfethu.
Okay.
I think xa ndisendlula le kwamamsahlo, I'm like no man, khona into endingayiphethanga yabo ngamanzi. And ke sendiyava ngokuba nayo le ndawo
thirsty.
enxaniweyo because khange ndiwasele vele ekuseni uba ngaba wine amandazi yabo. Okay, let me go, challenge yami ke leyo. Yeah,
Okay.
siya-introduce-ke engqondweni ke ngokuba dude, how long are you going to last without amanzi? Because now it's not like uhleli endlini, you're just gonna drink 1 cup maybe once a day or
Ngapha the sun is hot.
yeah, ngapha kuyashisa, isizini ifuna amanzi vele yabo. But ndahamba until khe ndizozijampa ezinye iphathi because I want to speak of the challenges until eFereenageni. Ufika eFereenageni eShell garage dadibana no-supervisor bekangene i-day shift, ndifike ezotshayisa.
Yeah.
Ndacela kuye uba no, ndicela ukuresta kayi, I'm doing a walk blah 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 blah, and then no, i-recruitment yavuma, and then yandinikeza indawo ukuthi no, ungalala kayi. Okay, I slept ndaresta. No man, xa ndilele ebusuku ndiyava man, ama-joints
ama-joints
ye umuntu ukrembe xa ndithi ndizama ukuphakama ndiva ukuthi akuphakameki yabo. I'm still 37 kilometers away from home. 37. Yeah.
ngizofuna umama.
Yo, do I call endlini and okay, do I say ayifeyilile le ndaba yecampaign le man, jike or ndenze ntoni and stuff yabo? Hayi man, ngincame ngixelele le supervisor yakhona ba recruitment man, this is what's happening yabo, and I don't want to go back home. And recruitment suggest uba let me buy i-DPT, their product yakhona. I bought their DPT and then apply yona, khe ndazama ukubalusinyana overnight, and then ekuseni mane ndi-apply. No ke ekuseni bekusekunyathelela, but I knew uba mhlawumbi for bani be-right nyathela into engapheliyo, ningamane ndihlala. Yeah. So asuka ke ngoku eFereenageni going to le toll gate enkhipha kwi-R59 enjoin i-N1, ile toll gate yaseVaal yokuqala. Yeah. Approaching yeah, I bendiyigooglile indlela, I knew imap indlela yodifaka e-Eastern Cape where I'm going. Yeah, bekungana mistake bengiyazi. When approaching there, going le ndlela ya approaching to lama toll gates waseVaal, ifoni ithi flat ifoni, hayibo khe ndithatha i-power bank ndiyidutse yabo. Le power bank yogesi iphele yabo. Mayiphela dingabi na worry because I've got i-power bank yento ye solar yabo. Sure sivayo, so ndithathe le power bank ye solar ndicharge le yogesi power bank, and then mna ndiyazi ukuthi I will get electricity from this one yabo. Hayi man, xa kuvaya ixesha le power bank ye solar le, it's not receiving ugesi from, I mean it's not receiving power from solar. Ngibekile langeni ilightile la kwenye indawo green ubonisa ukuthi vele facing nelanga, it's working, but I charge. I'm like, if I charge le power bank, that means le power bank izoba flat, and then I'm gonna be and phone already yona say flat yabo. Skisi. And then we aba flat ke vela amafoni wami, ndisho ku WhatsApp kude amafoni wami aba flat. I mean ndisho, I think I said on Facebook amafoni wami aba flat, and lama power banks endiwaphetheyo le solar bendiyithembile it's not working elangeni, so eziyakhala ke ngoku I'm gonna have to walk blind. Ukusuka from those toll gates, because ndenda walk ndafika toll gate, and then ndacela ukucharge apha kula container yama traffic cops kathiwa akunagesi. ayiso banibonisile ama-plugs wakhona unqamuliwe nje ugesi wakhona. Okay, I went ema-toll gate straight. Xa ndifika phaa security told me ukuthi no, akuvumalakanga ukuthi basichargele or anything kala. Yabo, I was like, okay, let me respect that. Ndabuyela la kwela container. What's the plan ke ngo? Do I continue ngendlela? Jike yenze kanjani? Let me continue ngendlela. So charge xa ndifika to the next town. Divide. Oh, beningalimalanga from Vereeniging andilimelanga ama-joints kuphela. Inyawo ziphuma amadyungudyunguza.
Yeah, you had glimpsed this. We saw that PK unenyawo ezimbi ndoda.
Sukazi inyawo zendoda. Yabo. So ziphuma amadyungudyunguza inyawo. So ngapha I was treating that and then so yo fit. But uNkulunkulu was with me because le amadyungudyunguza ndawaqaphuza same time ndowabona. Ndathatha nail cut ndathi qu upha amanzi wakhona. Fortunately when I woke up the following morning noko wona bewasewane pains zakhona we bearable bangabani ngaqhubeka ndiwalk, but I had to change take ke ngoku ndifake i-Crocs kwenzela uba ndikwazi ukuphefumulisa inyawo, but still sikwazile ukuvala. So I had to walk blind from there. Okay,
Without the map and stuff.
Akuna at least indlela ndiyayazi bu N1 uyondifaka eBloemfontein into endiyithembileyo.
Akunakona ijikayo.
Hayi phela mawusuka la uye Kroonstad and nalapho awungeni phakathi Kroonstad because kumele ukheve uphume from N1 ujoin that whatever route ezokufaka eKroonstad. So mina kumele ngidlule, yabo. So apho mina ngizophumula khona green kuseVentersburg.
Wow.
Yo imvula.
Wow.
Yo imvula along the way. It's between layer route where abantu bathi babona izombi khona.
I was gonna ask you that, wasn't I?
Yeah.
Coming to that, how did that make you feel when you being seen as a zombie or ghost whatsoever?
Yeah, izombi babesithi babona izombi.
Oh, zombie.
Ukhumbula uba iclear moment in the blind ngayo. Now comes this car. Umuntu wakhona, oh no, I see you man, people are talking about you ku social media, anibulise aniphe namanzi nani. So mina ndithi ngicela nje ukupower phone yami nje, I just wanna check kwenzeka ntoni, yabo. Yena nto endiworried ngayo kusekhaya because uMagriz akekho grand ngapha and ndihambe engathanda uba mandihambe. So I knew ukuthi for her to be safe kumele ndim update every day bangaba kwenzeka ntoni. And I'm like, it's day 3 ngoku umuntu blind, I can't even, yabo. So hayi bantutsele ke la emotweni noke ifone yami ithi power on. Man power on, I'm approaching iVentersburg. Xa power on kungena nama WhatsApp messages kule group yalapha ePolar Park yalapha eblocking yethu, masimlandeni abantu bayakhampena kuhlaka. Zinja people were even offering imoto zabo ukuthi mina nizomlanda. A friend of mine uSnethemba was coming from Eastern Cape, yabo. Watsho yena uba he's gonna wait for me at Ventersburg. Snethemba.
Which Snethemba?
Snethemba. Yeah, uSnethemba.
Snethemba boy?
No.
Why?
Mnyameni.
Okay.
Yeah. Athi ndithi okay, this one I know him, lazibamba incamncam ke lo. Okay, wathi uzoyenza into uzoyenza nyama. Okay, I was like, okay, fortunately phone yami izocima, so there won't be a form of communication kwazi kwathini. Yeah. And so xa sesifike eVentersburg mina ngizoyibetha phezulu ku highway, yabo. Andizukheva ndingene ndiye da bazone expect bangaba nizobeni khona uyamabhasi afika pake khona and stuff because they would expect ukuthi nizoba phaya. So I'm not gonna go there, but still ke ngondidinga ucharger, so it's a must for me to go there. Yeah, xa approach apha ndithi ndiyayehla ebridgeini nabo nyawube kusebusuku, yabo. Hayi ndiyadlula mfethu. Ndadlula eVentersburg. That means I didn't khange camp eVentersburg, khange ndifumane neba okay ithi ndiyo charge, yabo, because le ndawo beniplan ukuthi le ndiya kuyo into charger kuyo indlela ziwele eblock engabunya uphi andiyazi enye route ezawundisa phaya so ndiyacinga uba ndithi ndiyangena kulama yesu wakhona ndizama ukuthola amahontsho uba ndiyofika apho ndizotshaja khona what if still ndidibana nezinye iingxaki I think I'm safe here let me rather continue ngendlela okay I continued ngendlela yeah those are the difficulties endihlangabezene nazo
Okay.
but yabona yona nto beyindigalela kakhulu bekuyimvula hayi imvula beyindifumana
So ilanga khali kwenzeni.
ilanga khange ndifike ndimnyama emakhaya ilanga beline but benifake i-umbrella that's the thing there's never a time ubuso bam was exposed elangeni yabo because beniphethe i-umbrella but
Yeah.
ke yomntu ufike emnyama still
Okay, so having to see that since your campaign it's called Step of Unity, then back home behind where you come from, you found out ukuthi the campaign is actually working not only to your favor at that moment, it is actually gathering youth, they are the likes of people
Yeah.
who are actually coming together, planning this thing. Ngawe.
Yeah,
How did
yeah.
that make you feel?
let's
Because
see.
it's like your thing was actually, as it's called, Steps of Unity. So it's like the whole of Ipola Park, 3 sections of Ipola Park were unified. And then there was the likes of Amanda Ceba from Greenfield, Abu Putlwazi and stuff. They were now coming to, and Besingazani, mind you.
Yeah,
We're
yeah.
coming together. Sihlangana, since the campaign, it's called Steps of Unity, and we're taking those steps. So how did that come to you? How did that make you feel? Bongood, it's actually working, not ngalento wena uzitshela ngayo,
Ngayo.
but now people are coming together, unifying ngawe.
yeah ne yeah question yakho
I told you that you're the one who's on the hot seat.
imnandi lo wine how did it make me feel? It was 100% what I wanted to achieve. Yabona xa kuthiwa umuntu upase leyo subject nge-distinction or whatever. That subject nje yokunify abantu ndiyifumene i-distinction phaya. So
Clack, 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 clack.
yeah, clock it. Yeah. I saw a community yase Elliot. Bahlangana abantu abanye baphuma ema-shops celebrating yabona that moment where everyone is not thinking of ikwalanayo nomunye umuntu but they are celebrating this thing that's happening yabo for me kwakuyi achievement enkulu or let me not even say kwakuyi as if
It is an achievement.
achievement enkulu
Yeah.
yabo seeing people unite and unite ngegoal eyi-one mfethu basebenzisana that was very beautiful coming to this side like you are saying I saw Ipola Park block A block B ne-C nale ezansi like nemhlongo view kuyahlanganwa i-Greenfields it's because abantu base-Greenfields babuye ePola Park so coming to assist nabo like I saw i-communities like izihlangana us black people working towards i-goal eyi-one. That was beautiful mfethu. That was really beautiful. You guys kind of made me feel like let me run for presidency.
Yeah, as ngasho na WhatsApp ngathi wena you the young Ramaphosa.
yeah, I remember you saying that. Yeah.
Like no, to be honest Ntwana, having to see you cuz bendingalali even I think bisesichithela nemijolo yethu.
Yo bewukhala. I remember every time when you call me and I'm like, why are you phoning a video call like unganifonile like a call straight so I don't see you cry.
You're about to make me cry. Let's not go.
Okay. Let's.
Yeah, like I wouldn't lie. It came to me knowing you. It's okay. This is where we come from. When do you remember when I was doing poetry? We actually
I used to borrow your books.
Yes. We made a song together. we made a song together.
Hey, Sibuya.
And it was written, that poem was about me, where I come from to becoming a mother at a teen stage.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
wangitholela beating sayifuna namanje leyo beat. Sayifuna namanje because sayifuna namanje.
Yeah.
I just can't remember. So ngithe ukwazi your situation, your background from where you came from. We used to share dishes together. We used to sihlale kubethu 12 ngikhaphe ngo2 sininini nguwe sihleli siyancokola about ama challenges esinawo, then boom you do this great thing of which mina ngisahleli ngisafuna ukubheka ukuthi kahlahle where am I going with this life, ngibheka ukuthi, and then boom, and it came as a motivation to me ukuthi, you know, it doesn't matter what situation or where, whatever background that you come from, when you are determined to do something, uyayenza and iyaphumelela. So that's what made me emotional at that time, and that is where my mom saw that Ulinda loves her community and Ulianda is doing the same things that Ulinda wishes to do. That is when my mom started pushing me that if you feel like supporting your friend, go ahead and support him. Tina, we are behind you, despite ukuthi and abangani the way you used to and stuff, but the fact that there's this profound connection with whatever he's doing, push it. So yeah, at that moment, yeah, I did feel like, but at the same time, I got to pambe lo. Yeah. But still, banele antet ngo12 ebusuku. Khangela ubuphu MK, khangela ubuphu MK. So yeah, that was what was fascinating about it, and I must give you credit when it comes to me. I must give you credit to say, if it weren't for you, I wouldn't have seen my capabilities. I can be able to work with other people over the phone. I didn't know that I have it in me to organize something.
You remember that you told me this, but obviously because I heated when you told me because conflicts basically phezulu amaphaphu kumntu. But you said the exact same words as Choi Ngoku.
Yeah, because now I'm actually developing this thing. I've been invited. There's this place. I don't want to call it theater. Boom. Okay. But yeah, I'm actually an events organizer for that thing. They saw me through that.
Nice.
So yeah, that is why I didn't know that I had it in me. As much as you know, which I'm a politician, but I used to dream organizer, like since Ikasiletu Youth Theatre is not active. So I used to wish that ngenza political chillers whereby I could introduce politics to abantu abasha bazi ukuthi akusiyinto abantu abadala kuphela, ayibore, it is actually fun. So I would like to organize political chillers whereby we'll chill, singagxili kakhulu kupolitiki, but get to know each other, sifundane, so that we can be able to be part of this thing about politics nabangayazi bayazi baya understand. So yeah, it's a masekwenzeka that this whole thing, that is when I saw good damn and in the darkness tatsela panzi. So yeah, thanks to you.
It's time to shine.
Thanks to you. So now there's this question that I wanted to ask with social media, but I knew right then with Naman. I'd rather ask this in personal, Gulianda Uguti. Did you somehow masoto Uguti, most of the people who are actually involved in this organizing of your coming back and stuff, yes, the celebration, it was mostly ANC. Did you somehow feel like maybe sifunu kankasa ngawe, or maybe ikhona into ephumile sifuna udla ngawe? Did you feel somehow ukuthi bukhona bukirikirinyana mhlamba bukhona obudibene nemali, that is why sinogqozi nofuqufuqu ba si right after masesingasaboni ngasolunye, right after masesingasaboni ngasolunye? Did you feel like mhlambi when you raise pointers wakho, of which we had them, but still we've already done the t-shirts and we can't back down now because we have to siqale phansi and abantu sebayafuna ukuthenga izigiba, amalanga sewesondele. So did you feel like mhlambi khona imali khona okanye sifuna ukuphusha umkhankaso we-ANC since vele sesizovota?
Dope question. I was waiting for a question, so like I always looked at I'm a guest host, especially under this topic, and hope ukuthi uNkulunkulu, can you ask this question? But obviously I cannot tell you guys what to ask and stuff.
Yes.
Dope one. Come here, dope one.
Yangazi.
Dope one. Yeah.
We call a spade a spade.
A spade, a spade. I felt hurt, betrayed, misunderstood, and misrepresented. Yabo? All at the same time. Boo. Why I felt kanjalo? Everyone organizer kule
The internal structure.
yeah, everyone beka organizing committee had numbers zam. Everyone, including yourself.
Yeah.
Nonke, you had numbers zam. In most cases, you guys were communicating with me ngoku compliment the initiative endiyithathile yabona, and because niyayibona impact eyenzayo kasi andithi mna nikho apho ngosendile ekhaya.
Yes.
I don't see what's happening here. Whenever we are communicating, Tina, it's about the impact eyenzayo ngoku.
Yes.
You are reflecting to me what's happening up ekasi. Abantu baya unite. People are talking about you left, right and center. Everyone is celebrating ikasi lethu yonke lanto yabo. Akhono you-one kuni othi, tell me about this campaign. Yabo? Let's sit down. I know you've taken this ubhalile dawo bangaba you want sponsors as so. I get that. That is the public side of the campaign. Let's go to the admin side of the campaign, because now njengoba siba organizing committee, you are now the admin team of the campaign. Yabo? Should we have had you guys before nithatha campaign besizoba ne workshop where we're going to sit down, I'll break down the campaign. Yabo? This is what's happening in the campaign. This is what we aim to achieve. Blah 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 and all of that. We have never had leon to leyo. So ifika dasekumele ku celebrate this return, and kengoku everyone is excited of lento yenzekileyo and they wanna celebrate. Yabo? To a point where even though it was a surprise, I felt the part city I felt hurt, betrayed, misunderstood and misrepresented. Ilaphi zakhona. I knew ukuthi xa kuthiwa kune organizing committee, I started battling ke ngoku ukuthi okay, organizing committee doesn't know what's happening in the campaign. Who can I tell? Mr. Monde was ama-proposals ebekazowathumela to whatever company or whatever person ebekawathumela kuye bekawadlulisa kum. He was sending them to me and say, can you please go through this proposal and then silungisa khona, and then if we approve, we're going to send it. I appreciate that. Even though he didn't understand the campaign,
yes,
but he took the side a public in the campaign. This is what he wants to achieve ngale campaign, and then was sticker there. That was 100%. I appreciate that and I applaud their thinking yakhe. Yabo? It got worse, man. Okay, I knew ukuthi xa ni organize this thing, you are now front runners zayo the campaign apejos.
Of which we didn't take it like that.
It's like that. You are now front runners zayo apejos. Yabona? Whatever that you guys say, it goes, because obviously umntu enitsho kuye, they take it ukuthi it's coming from me. Yabo? Whatever that you guys say, it goes. Or if ever it's not coming from me, it's nge-benefit yaka MK. So every community is doing it because siyenzelu MK. Yeah. So I knew, but there's a lot of things that you guys are going to have a control of ngayo le campaign le. And then I was like, what can I protect? Your reputation. ye-MK. Yabo? Let you control the admin sites, go to ama-meetings that I don't even know bangaba nithetha ngantoni, kwenzeka, do that, ne? But whatever damages ezingayenzeka la, if ever ziyenzeka behind the scenes on the admin side, we can fix that. But if ever zizoyenzeka in a manner that's going to be public,
Yes.
there won't be ixesha lokuyifixa leyo nto leyo.
You're right.
Even if nizobe nicampaign ndithi what do they say, kulungiswa ama-damages or kwenzani, I don't know what they call it,
Damage control.
damage control, whatever.
Yona
There's,
leyo.
there's no way that benzokwazi ukushaya indaba zama-damage control, yabo? So that's when I sit back and I'm like, okay, ngobani members ezikwi-organizing committee, ngubani. For some reason nonke ndiyawazi ama-political backgrounds wenu, yabo? Was like, okay, all of them are under ANC. This is the opportunity for ANC. Any political party smart or eyabona that bekufanele ukuthi ijampele leya opportunity leya, and futhi ijampele in a way yokuthi they are going to campaign, yabona, using that opportunity. That was still okay. I'm not saying that you guys came in that manner,
Yes.
but even if it was in that manner, it was okay, because I don't even know what was discussed kuma meetings behind the scenes and all of
Funny
that.
part, when you keep on speaking of my meetings, we never had any meetings.
Zange nina-
We asikaze sahlangana, we only met after notice ukuthi we had quarrels with a community committee, the one that
Yeah.
I was in. So that was our first and our last meeting. That is when sihlala phansi since saye kwacaba aphekasi ba la group le ya organize. Kanti mina sendi kule group le that is more ngizothi more influential because it had a lot of abantu abane influence and stuff, of which nambe ngabaqhelanga but ngokubazi, you
Yeah,
understand.
yeah.
So it's more of, yeah, we come from the ANC, but we were just individuals that was excited. Which no man, he's representing
He's
us. We should do something for him. So we actually used our resources, our influential personalities, which is Pume out there. It is, we only discuss it over the phone. But mina ngazubani nobani bo scheme GP abobani yabona into ezikanjalo GBV and stuff.
Yeah.
Sicela ama donation, okay, mina njengeko who was once a committee ngiphume ngicela abantu like from Virgin Active. I have a friend Black from Virgin Active who was actually pushing atshela abantu ukuthi akungene ku TikTok, subscribe and all that lento yezi ezinto zakhona ezenziwayo. So we've never met. Abanye besazana ngoba sazana, abanye besazana ngoba yeah, mutual friend kabani ku Facebook, oh ndiyamazi ngombono vinqishe nikhula nabo, you understand. We've never sat down that weekend si cancela ngayo siba that quarrel nawe. That weekend, the following day, we're supposed to wear our t-shirts singene emphakathini sichaze, but with the mindset that sichaza nathi sithatha kuba sithatha ngalendlela nani niyazi ngayo, but we want the actual person to come back and be the one who's on stage. Ayichaze lento. The only thing that we wanted to push was the exposure for you to tell your story, for you to make us all understand. So this fana nabantu bonke. That is why ndithi, don't you think mhlambi wena washesha wasipha isikhundla soba sikwe admin, kanti uya just abantu abadecide ukudibana over the phone, over a link on Facebook ukuthi hayi man untwana wenza into nice man so.
Yeah.
So yeah.
To me, it came as you guys were called steering committee. Yeah.
That's what we called ourselves at that
steering committee. Yeah. So if ever you're gonna be called a steering committee, that is a very formal word, guys. Especially organizing isn't it? So yeah, well, it's my surprise ngoku to hear into yokuba ngaba zange nadibana ngaphandle kwaleya incident
we
where
just didn't wanna say it to you, Guti. We just wanted you to be the one who's approaching us to say, guys, after this, how would you like? Besingafuna ukuzixoxa. comment when you can understand. We
Yeah.
wanted you to be the one who chooses wisely, because maybe some of us okay wasebenza nabo, you don't see that thing ukuthi bangaba part of. You understand? So that is why nditsho now we're just people who come from the same party, but who thought as individuals, sisemaceleni ukuthi how about yes,
Yeah.
that is how it happened. So we chose the names, we chose that formal word steering committee due to siqale kwane group enkulu. So kula group enkulu siyazama uthetha siyabona ba imibono
Minis. Yeah.
and abanye sebethetha into ephumileyo, abanye badle erhanqa sebevele benza i-voice note, abanye sabona ukuthi okay, those who are mostly active, who are pushing this campaign, who are supporting you, that is when uMonde, Comrade Monde, aye wasithi and formed leya group. That is when siqale sabona ukuthi since we come from this group, we should that kwathethwa kula group enkulu ukuthi abantu aba-active, so we'll be selecting these people babe ne-group yabo encinci whereby bazodiscussa then babuye bathele kule group enkulu.
Yeah.
That is how we worked. We never met for any meeting. Omunye bekasho athi ngine-connection eso ngizokhuluma naye, ngine-connection eso ngizokhuluma naye, mina ngizenza so ngizothini. Singasho ukuthi if they were to say we were put in position, besothi uMonde yi-chairperson, besothi yabona besizoba nezikhundla, ngiyacabanga ukuthi mina if I'm not and you're organizer kuyo ngima-post because ndizigcwalele istrata because I
Yeah.
didn't know so
Yeah.
much, but
Yeah.
I was learning. So that is when mina ngicabanga ukuyenza into songigcwale since vele angazi kula masaluni. Gcwala la masaluni ngifaka ama-poster, ngichiswe lilanga,
Your sales and
inyawo
marketing
liyalo,
department,
yes,
la.
ngathi umbeke nje
Yeah.
kulo ndawo, yes, ngiyadeliver mina ama-proposal, that's it. You understand? So we're not as per se ukuthi besisiso i-steering committee MK, but besisi steering committee say MK besibiza ngani, welcome home and celebration.
Yeah.
Yeah, something
Silent.
besiyilonto
Lonely.
leyo
Yeah.
specifically.
And you guys did umsebenzi omhle kakhulu pha, even though we did not see the end results zawo.
Yes, yes.
But the way it's a surprise to me ndokuba beningadibani. I thought benidibana ngendlela like that you guys were making things happen ngayo like so.
Because it
I
took
tell
us a
you.
night, then within 2 days, boom, within the
Yabo.
4th day, sending a poster and stuff. Yeah,
I was like, yeah, kukhona la nidibana khona and
it was just
do
on
these
the
things.
phone.
Yabo?
Mawungena data, you miss out. Uzokhetha apha kusasa, mele ukolodisa data.
Am I allowed to ask mna questions?
Yeah, go
I'm just gonna
ahead
ask
and
one. Do you not think ukuba mhlawumbi ukungadibani kwenu might have caused might have maybe played a role in causing into ye-conflict yethu nokucancela kwe-parade?
No, I wouldn't say so, because communication here too was from, I think from 4, 3 o'clock, wherever that's our Kungena group.
Kungena
So
group,
it's
and then
like
something
on
is-
that group, it's like we're physical there.
Yeah.
Like you understand, even though sikhona ngokwe technology, but ngokomoya and everything, whoever wakes up and feel like ngidinga ukuthi, let's say, only to find out besingalali luyani. Uthole ngo-3 we are discussing. Abanye abantu balele, we are discussing. Hence ndithi uba yey ababetshatile noba ngebephelelwe yimizi, because
Imizi.
mina yami ifoni iyangcola ke ule lapho brother uthetha nabanye uyachita, no ngibhizi ngomkhe. So like awusazulala, understand, we were just
Brothers uzayibukela le podcast.
yes.
Ekrutman askis ne askis krutwani.
So you understand uba we were just there. I don't know, we were very bonke kuzusho ukuthi uMondo sesibani, but maqala uthi uMondo sele respond right away, unokuzole like we were just there efoning.
Phone.
Ndihambe ndiwakhe. I think I was facing a challenge whereby my firstborn son azange ento esikolweni, i-application yakhe idlulele eTisetsong, so mandiphinda ndiyilandelela sele kuvela Foslorus zonke izizwe endulapha. I had to go kuTisetsong, mangifika eTisetsong kuba naleso story the district bamthumela eGreenfield. On the way ndilapha, I'm working, saving imali yokhwela for idata because endlini sebenzisa iWi-Fi. Once ndiphuma andina data. So I had to yabona apha endleleni like azabuza unyana mba mama ke ngoku uzophumla xa kutheni. That no, I don't want to miss out on anything because no, ukuhlala kwami phansi ndimelwe yimbiza nini niyanqola ngapha ihope yemessage. So that's why ndithi besikhona, our meeting was just there.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't say it was a cause. Let's just say, I would say only if there was anyone who would have thought like, hence, Basmana Siege, if you remember my post, no, this is not only about the t-shirt. There's something. That is when my sister, this question I'm asking, it's my sister who sat down with me. Wathi le nto mangithinda njonga nonke nikwe-ANC. uLiyanda kaCimfa unomsindo ke phofu yena qumbela. uLiyanda kaCimfa mhlawumbi kunemali ephumile since nina kwa-ANC noqhophololo. Siswami uyithethe njalo. Wathi kalona noqhophololo kwa-ANC. So what if uLiyanda uthi uyijonga abone uba hayi aba kunemali abayifumeneyo baya-campaign. You understand?
Yeah.
So only if there was anyone whom you were able, before you went on social media, none, or before, because you spoke a group in it, then you left the group. Sisenemibuzo, you left the group in. Ndizama uthetha nawe on the side, and I'm trying ukuthi andifuni uba ngathi ndakulisa as much as I was upset, but I'm trying indlela yoba ndizame uku-understand. Said then uzokwazi ukuthola ukuthi no, we haven't met. Uzokwazi ukwazi ba no, the reason being singagxili kakhulu icampaign yakho, sigxile kuwe wena muntu uyaziyo le campaign ba sikwelcome. We want you to be the one who stand on stage uyitsho uzothini ukhupha imbilini yakho ngecampaign yakho ukuthi this is what and what and what and this is what's not and what and what. You understand? That is when Tina, what we wanted to do was to focus ukuthi sikubonge. It was us saying thank you for representing us. Since uhambe amalanga angaka and you haven't heard what you wanted, now there is the exposure. Go ahead and say what was the main purpose of your campaign. That is where you're going to just pour it out. Then whoever that was there, abone ukuthi lo proposal mayiphuma ngomlomo wakho ayithathe. Only people were going to understand when you speak of it. Because thina besithi sisayixoxa. Kodwa hayi lawo uyaxoxa yabona. So
Yeah.
how are we going to, only if the owner of the whole thing uyikhupha ngomlomo wakhe, you understand? That's the, I think what caused this whole failure amongst yonke lento, it was the lack of communication and understanding. There was
Between us
misunderstanding.
sonke. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Because for me, I didn't care ukuthi at first, okay, when I found out ukuthi you guys are all members of the ANC, I didn't care. Ne? Because strategy is here. We are going to our local elections.
Yes.
Like
yes.
I was saying before, sisebenzise, utilize the platform. Yabo? Because obviously, into ezawuzisa crowd abantu or zoba whatever, use that. I didn't care. If ever bekuthiwa kunemali ezenzakalayo eziphuma ezi 10, they've got nothing to do with me. And I wasn't gonna care. Unless bekuzothiwa
And it was not labeled an ANC campaign.
an ANC campaign. Yabo? So I didn't care about zonke ezo zinto ezo. My problem was sorely or benye like one. The wording on the t-shirts. I still say to this day, zonke ezinye problems ebezingama red flags kuleya campaign bezi avoidable, bezingalungiseka because they were behind the scene. So as a t-shirts eziya with something ezoba branded, akusi MK kuphela ezawushoota la, because if ever bekuyi MK kuphela ezawushoota, that's nca benza ishoota lawo endiyidelete yabo ndingayi-upload, but ni-invite namanye ama-media houses.
Yes,
Yabo?
yes.
So for me, knowing ukuthi that campaign akusi once off, I don't only want to get a car, a house kunye nama-studio equipment.
yes.
I want to do this thing annually.
The car in the
Nama-projects
house.
aso. Yabo? Mfethu, I felt good. No man, we are doing it ngendlela wrong. If ever we are going to harm ikhowa ngalendlela esiyahama ngayo
Okay,
ngewedding.
okay.
Yabona?
Yeah.
Ukhumbule ukuba you guys nina abanisukeleyo.
Yes.
You asked me of a wedding emayifake kwi-t-shirt.
Actually, I was actually asking for a suggestion because One person, I think it's Comrade Nomfundo from the ANC Youth League or say Extension 2.
Yes.
Yes, Comrade Nomfundo, but no, we should put something, Ejwailo, Okshu, Uluyanda from Good Podcast. Okay, then I think about 6 of us sit out and go to Yane.
Okay.
So, Yane. And I actually thought it was good. Yeah, it sounded, it vibed with me. Then, ane.
Yeah.
So, and then boom, omnyangazi ungabuza umjinta kwathini.
Ungavusa umjitalele.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mina ngafaka uane ekugcineni ngathi futhi no ane right futhi kwakuyo. So I thought, you know what, because now yilo nalo uza nombono wakhe sayithethe eceleni. That is when I thought, as a person that I used to work with and stuff, no, uthi ngimsearche ukuthi if ndandingathi we're actually asking you, we actually wanted something ojwayele ukuyisho. That is why I even stated ukuthi something ubungayisho okanye ojwayele ukuyisho ongathanda ifako. Like if they were to say we're doing something for you.
Yeah.
That message. That is why I state with if we were to say we're doing something for you. That is when ngasho because this now my challenges is now, but now we do want your input, but not as per se. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, fine, washo. And that is when my buya sibane challenge ukuthi uguy kule igibeza azosenzela zona zokuqala for i-committee. Usipha kuzo zona deposit, like uyasikhathela usipha half. Sizobhadala half of what we're supposed to pay, usenzele discount. So akumelanga nathi simhame ngoba nakho usenzele discount. Yeah, so sabona ukuthi sibamninzi futhi ngoba ingase singafaka ba extension tonton sifuna ukuya deep, so senza lo mistake samkhatha call. And on top of that, we actually didn't think it was going to be an issue class ngatanga welcome back Luyanda, because we had that thing which already we have OMK, and most people have seen you go social media, you know that you are actually Uluyanda Philiso. So we decided the MK is already, it's you anyway. So that is when we didn't put welcome back Luyanda Philiso, because besicabangela budget.
That one. Basically, I was against the whole wedding including the welcome back.
Yeah, because nyazi ukuthi welcome back. What? Welcome back bani?
Ndiyayibona nokuthi welcome back bani ne. Like the whole wedding nje for me. Even the site elibhalwe MK Steps of Unity, whatever. Kuleya sample leya yala picture that was sent. Ilokhu ikhona, but the word hustlers in respect ukhathiwe. Yabo? So if ukhathiwe akekho, that's no longer my
ukhona.
Yeah, ukhona kwi-original t-shirt, but kule sample trender yaze yazofika kum.
Yeah, phela lapho besibonisa abantu ukuthi if the t-shirt would be like
this, yeah,
would you guys love it, or is there anything eningathanda ukuyichinja, because ses involve the whole community.
Yeah,
because yafakwa kula group inkulu la sample.
To me ivela ke ngokuba this is the approved t-shirt. Yabo. And I'm njonga like there's so many things as wrong apha ne. And let alone the logo. Because in the end when welcome back bani, it's because of their logo layer. But it's no longer a logo yaka MK if it's gonna cut izinto ezingabi.
That is hence I sent you a video whereby Nobisa was showing
us the actual ones. I was like, there is the hustlers in respect. Send them born and get go. I was like, okay, cool. It goes to Indabayama landmarks. Yeah, well, that was very sensitive for me.
Okay.
Not just for me. It was very sensitive. First of all, when we spoke of Leah wedding Dr. Melel, and you didn't come back to me and said, we've agreed on into so instead of Lena yako. Yaibo. I was like, niyangibela ngoku. You involve me kwinto. Yabo? That I appreciated the fact that niyan involve, but xa nizongibela, it's like, yeah, into yakho le, yabo, but awuna control yayo. That's
is-
i-message ndanayi-receiver leyo, okay,
yes,
into yam
ngiyakhumbula,
le,
yes.
but andina-control yayo. And I was like, it's good when I don't have control of i-admin, but if it's gonna affect i-brand, yinto ekumele ndenze sure ke ngayo uba I don't lose control noba kwenzeka
Okay.
ntoni, yinto ekumele ndenze sure ngayo. And the part that gets to me most is that ayibonwanga ndim qala le nto ye-t-shirt, and ayindimanga uye wabona ingxaki qala kulandela t-shirt. Ingxaki mna ndizoyibona because it's been introduced to me, and ke ngoku amehlo wam are being sent to leya ngxaki leya. If mhlawumbi bekungumntu waseRhawutini that saw leya nto leya ayincome and then angabi na anything negative to say, bendizoba blind nam bendingazoyibona uba ingxaki iva, but ispotwa ngumntu wasekhohlo, yabo.
Okay.
Maka ispota, she says sihle iskipa sakho ntontontonton usibonile, nama ndithi ndinala joy, ndicommunicate nani nonke, sonwabile kumnandi, ndibreka ngekasi lam ndaba mfethu hlala phansi. There they are, and ndithethi ngento eningayiboniyo, yabo, like ndiyancoma uba nenza umsebenzi omhle and stuff, kasi lam liyanibackupa in athi lo girl qha ke ngoku ndine-concern, ndithe mna ke kukhambani, athi kwi-parade yakho e-organized eyenziwa le, why ukho ungamfakanga, yabo. First of all, I'm not aware mna uba ngaba kwi-wedding there's ama-landmarks, there's your Eastern Cape,
Yeah.
your Thokoza, your Polar Park, your in because i-wedding endikuthumelele yona has nothing to do with Kowa,
Yes.
ton, or
Yes,
even
yes.
Polar Park. It's just a motivational message, yabo. Okay, hayi man, ndicela ubona nqanqa andibonise esi skipa, and I was like, red flag, yonke le nto le. And ke ngoku andisakwazi ukuphendula lo nqanqa and say why Kowa ingekho, because
Yes.
andiyazi nginyani honestly bangaba why Kowa is not mentioned phaya, yabo. And I'm like, yo, mandithethi nyani kusase eli, ndithi bheka mfethu, remember ikasi lam bayenza i-surprise what, yabona, some of information endinayo I'm not even supposed to have it, including leya le t-shirt, yabo. So I wasn't aware bangaba kubhalwe i-wedding yeso, but I'm gonna try and communicate nabo ndive bangaba singayistopa kanjani ingekamoshakali yonke into, yabo. Okay, that's when ke ngoku qala the communication.
Whereby you said you're going to ask the officials to take us out to parade, of which we wanted to.
Unwabisa is asking me kwi WhatsApp, I think privately, was it Unwabisa or I think between Unwabisa no Amanda, between them ukhona unibuzayo ba if ever ke ngoku, as it was supposed to be a surprise, if ever bewungazibonanga lento ye-t-shirts until elalanga le parade xa uthi qingathi sinxibela ama-t-shirts aso, ndithi ndiyibone and khawuleze siregister kum bangaba yingxaki le, I was going to make sure that yonke laa nto leyo MK wasn't part of it. Benzoba public, benzoba aggressive ngaleyo ndlela yokuthi benza ucela ipolisa or i-traffic cop ekhona phaya and stop iparade, ndimcela ukuthi can you tell those people abanxibe ama-t-shirts so to remove them. But still I do understand ukuthi ngaphansi kwalo ma-t-shirt nabe nifaka amabra abanye banganxibanga next, so there's no way ukuthi nizozi-remove eza t-shirts, so the only option izawuba yi-one, nizawusuka from le ndawo ene-publicity nama-camera.
Uzosiqotsha.
Yeah, and xa senisuka phaa where you guys are gonna go, because if for a fact that niphayana i-camera yam kuphela engazi ukujonga kuni but ezinye zizawujonga kuni, and this event is happening because of you, you cannot not be part of it.
So you'll be chasing out the officials.
Uyayibona into enjalo?
Yeah, you scock.
I still say that to this day I was gonna do that with no remorse or in. That's because I know the kind of conflict ebezoyikhoza between Eastern Cape and Gauteng.
So I wanted to know one thing, because we even had a suggestion whereby we say to you, I don't know whether it was suggested, so Pumilo wavela wangazibuy at all sisithi ukuthi okay, this is the first batch, because besiyenza due to time phrase ne ukuthi sifuna ukungena sikhankasa apha ekuhlaleni babone iskipa ukuthi we're going to have t-shirt which was going to cost you 150.
Yeah.
So those who wants to have t-shirts. So we said, because it was just 10 t-shirts if I'm not mistaken. 14.
Ebeziprinted kanje already.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we wanted that. We tried. I don't know if you I told your message by we saying, how about the second batch? Yenziwe, before yenziwe, kuphinde kwenziwe sample, then we show it to you. So that the second batch izokwenziwa the way wena oyibeka ngakhona. I think bosasa khona group no.
Bensasekhona.
Yeah. How did you feel about that? Because I don't think we had
That
respond, yeah.
I did respond because that led to where I even said, Uti, can we change these t-shirts or cancel the parade? Yeah, because with these t-shirts, I askis it parade it's big. Inazo zonke benefits,
Yes.
but they are not worth yonke lento le drama enizofacana nayo mna ne MK alone after
Okay.
a parade. Remember, you guys are gonna get upload nenze umsebenzi omhle yonke lento
Yes,
leya
that
ninqonye
we see.
nithweni, and then imna I'm gonna be left to try and dinciba iglasi eyophukile. There's no way benza unciba iglasi eyophukile.
Okay.
Yabo. So I heard those words apho kusuggestwa khona egroupini because then an add like group, and then suggestion is not even a suggestion. Okay, uba it's only these 10 t-shirts eziprintwe kanjena, enye batch nton. Ndivume ke mna kuba that would be nca. And then I don't know who says ukuba ngaba but naleyo batch mos seziprintiwe zisendleleni.
No, I was part of that group.
Yabo.
No, besingakathola ama
It's either
orders.
that conversation happened on the group or it happened outside the group. I still have my messages
Must-
where
it-
to
it-
sonke.
Yeah,
I
it
can-
must have happened because now I still have those.
Yeah, what?
It must have happened outside because you said that, okay, we said that wavuma then tugu or rather kucancelwe i-t-shirt if not cancel. That is when we felt like, wow, phela manje uLeanda wenza sengathi ebesi uye wasikhetha specifically wathi wena yenzani ukuthi. That is how we felt. That is when siye nathi because we're human.
Yeah.
We're also human. As much as you were upset, we were trying to understand sizithobe as much as sizithoba kuwe. Then boom, then gothi, it's either the t-shirts or not there, or we'll cancel it.
Yeah.
Nibo.
Yeah, indaba yama t-shirts shem askis like there's
Because we
Ayaskis
like
Jamai.
mangkumbula da sasizithoba sonke sasizithoba sitshona. I then oh leyo nto le. That's what actually got everybody shaking from their seats. Good ha kanti besiqashiwe na. So yabona, that's why ngithi there was, without dwelling into it,
Yeah.
the misunderstanding and the communication amongst us.
you know after kanti besiqashiwe na
sengisho ukuthi
comes-
yinto thina
Yeah.
masesisodwa ukuthi and mawuqeda
it
kusho
came to me
kanjalo
leyo nto leyo.
and
Ifikile, yeah.
no ufana iphathi mawuqeda ngisho lento uyaphuma egroupini manje.
It came to me leyo nto leya yabo. What in the ndayibona ukuthi you guys are not understanding up is that for me ayikho personal lento le. This is business for me. This is my future. This is it damage that I'm trying to control
I thought you
ingakayenzeki.
did not know.
Yabo. And you guys did not know ngayo. And I think the part ebeyenza ukuthi izinto zimosheke kakhulu was that everything that I know you guys do not know, and everything that you guys know I do not know.
So but ngamanye amagama singayibeka sithi ukuyiqhawulisa wena scheme ube nenhliziyo encinci kanti udibene nabantu abanenhliziyo encinci, but because we knew ukuthi we wanted this to happen, that is why sasizama ukwehle then ngoba naku sekwenzeka nje beyikwenzeka ngakhona. That is when ube nenhliziyo encinci the next thing uphume egroup because we still wanted to make you understand, and boom then uphume. This is when we're like uphumile vele.
But remember it got to a point yabona le disputes yama t-shirts ukhumbula ba inhliziyo yami izoba ncinci as you say because niyayilwela lento yalama t-shirts la. You don't want to change. Abantu baspende imali zabo, ama t-shirts sewaprintiwe, so people have got to pay again bangaba makuphinde ku reprintwe nton. There is
We're
no
talking
time.
about these 10 t-shirts.
Yeah, uyazibona izinto eziya. And I'm like ndiyazibona zonke ezwe that you guys are
Okay,
concerned of ama efforts, inhliziyo ezinhle, All of that, ama-connections eniwa-exhaustile, having to go to someone uyocela i-favor for omunye umuntu, that's not easy mfethu bangaba makasponsor omunye umuntu and not you instead. That's not easy. You guys did that. Nazdela buying data. So I appreciated yonke lanto leyo. I tell you, I appreciated yonke lanto leyo. But the wedding t-shirt, that's the part for me ebeningasebenzisi emotions. Even xa usithi inhliziyo yami beyingekho at all inhliziyo la for me, because the only thing that I saw was i-threat kwi-MK, and I'm gonna have to deal with the threat phela. I knew that is why even kuleya face leya on Facebook ukuba ngaba, because I started by saying I'm well aware ukuba ngaba this post will bring about ama-doubts, abantu bazonzonda yonke loo nto leyo, but then let it be. Yabona da bengisenthathe leya decision ukuthi okay, I'm losing this campaign, I'm losing whatever ebekuthiwa it's coming along with the campaign le, for the fact or for the sake ya reputation ya the brand ya MK. For me, I tell you mfethu, umsebenzi wenu bewumhle kakhulu, and even kuma campaigns wamalandelayo, if ever I would have a power yokuchoose abantu that I would like to work with, it's only you guys, because I've seen umsebenzi wenu, I've seen indlela enisebenze ngayo bangaba beyinhle kanjani. But obviously we do make our mistakes that hurt us.
Hence it came to me agreeing. Yes, I was upset, I don't wanna lie. I cried a lot, more than I cried.
You celebrate.
I cried a lot of it, but I hope that in future we are going to, we've made amends. Now, I don't know about the rest of the people.
I'm trying to reach out to everyone. Yes, yeah.
So, yeah, as the first person that cared, I think I'm the first person that showed up, ne?
Yeah.
So the only reason that made me come, Guti, we've came a long way. We've came a long way, mina nawe, dala sikhozuke kasi imvula zisinetha, and so on. And on this, I was in it with my heart. Ngiyakhumbula usaqala this whole thing. Ngazi kwakuyini at first, was it MK vele?
Yeah, it's always been MK.
No, man.
Yenza Explosive magazine.
Yes, something like that.
Yeah.
You've once invited me, wangicela ukuthi ngibe part of. Unfortunately, nami bengigcwele istrata ngibusy yezami. I couldn't sit down because nami ngithi ngihlanganise yami impilo, understand? But trust me when I say I just went in with all my heart, maybe even making up for the time lost that in our friendship, that we couldn't sit and do things together the way we used to do things. But yeah, I'm still behind your back, even though nakukulekanyane recently nyachbaya bensagcwele, but having to come here Ntwana, see discuss, ask you. I thought I was gonna grind you with question, but yeah.
I wanted you to grind me.
But walking but walking into that door, I felt at home. I felt like siyabantu, siyawenza ama mistakes. Yeah. I'm not here to fight a battle that was never a battle. I'm just here to conversate and understand the side of OMK on what went wrong and how was the journey, because those are the things we never asked. Awukabona isipoho sikatatomkhulu wami, understand, and so on. We never bothered to kwazi your well-being. Esijabulela ukuthi wena uyayenza lento.
And you has been kamikaze for a week ukufika kwami la Eastern Cape.
That is
and I never spoke of izinto ezinjalo, but yes. I tell you,
but we never even asked you ukuthi okay uzizwa njani emzimbeni. I think the last time I asked you that bawuqeda kufika urestile on that video call, did you see about doctor and stuff? Then after that I was too excited, but we never focused on your well-being, health yakho ukuthi since kwenzeke lento, like apha endleleni uziva njani ngokomzimba. But I felt like no man, mangena by that door sitting down, but you know what, it was selfish of me ukuzitshela ukuthi ngifuna ukuziphinde phezontrendisile, ngifuna ukuziphindisela ungtrendisile wangithwasisa. I understand. And when I said hi guys nifuna uba lihlazo kwezinyanya zika, I'm actually joking to ease my heart from this whole thing. To be honest, yeah, as much as wearing a t-shirt and so on, I was so defensive, not because of wearing, the fact that inalo MK, but ndayinxiba ngenye imini nale mini ndifuna indawo phe emanxebeni kwakho imoto ezithi bebebebe wena ulihlazo yabona like sesijoka ngayo into esihleka ngayo so nami ndandithi ndihleka ngayo. The last question I wanted to ask you, how did you feel? Because I did make the way Nan Heartbroken ngakhona, I made a clip on TikTok saying, Chomam, this is what I had. Unfortunately, it's not what you wanted. The house and the car. Was it specifically the house and the car as it was said? Because namda ithatha sendiyithatha bayi ande befuna imoto, befuna athengelwe imoto, befuna upithengelwa indlu. I'm like, uLiyanda mos ukhona indlu ahlala okay kuko kwabo. Then was it specifically a house and a car, or you just wanted funding ezokupha ukuthi ukhona ukuthi ukhwele uye kwezo ndawo, like in terms of the transportation, nendawo mhlawumbe iBnB, ihotel, or it was just the house and the car?
Kuleya campaign leya, when I wrote it, especially ama sponsorship proposals abantu abhala, they were saying that I'm looking for a sponsor for traveling and accommodation. Yabo? I wasn't specific to say I want a house, I want a car, I want the in. But even though bendis includile lezo zinto ezo, yabo, because one can say I do not afford to give you a house, yabo, but I can accommodate you kuma hotels when you are going outside the province mhlawumbe, or yabo, to go to leyo program ezokulasta maybe for 2 days or so. I can accommodate you, yabo. I wanted the sponsorship esizoba kanjalo, and at the same time still I wanted the sponsorship esizothi I cannot afford maybe to give you a car if abanayo, but maybe I can give you a monthly allowance yama 1,000 rands for you to actually, because I tell you ezinto ezindizihambayo, I don't even spend 1,000 rand ngenyanga when I'm boating to these places in Diagos, especially as lapha local. But then you would get calls from Eastern Cape.
Then you can reach.
I cannot ngeni kwazi ukufika Eastern Cape nge-1,000 rand boat. It's gonna take people ma 10k or 5k or so ukuya nje kuphela, yabo. So I thought of izinto ezinjalo, yabo. But I knew ukuthi there's like 80% chances ukuthi I'm not gonna get these things, but there's one thing that I'm gonna get. That's publicity. Yabo?
Yes.
Because yabo publicity yinto ezoyenza ukuthi even those potential sponsors ezizokhona ukunisponsor for them to identify me. Remember when I write to maybe a Toyota or a Volkswagen or Ndipalapi, there's no guarantees ukuthi those people are going to sponsor me because they do not even know me.
Yes.
But if ever bangan identify bona, then it's gonna be easy, or I will have negotiating power, whatever to say, okay, yabo. Yeah. So I didn't achieve yonke into, but I achieved a lot of things because I got even contacts as a Eastern Cape to abantu aba relevant. Kumbuba ama projects where MK mostly are going to be based in developing communities as Eastern Cape, as much as we'll be doing the same this side, but would be based isikakhulu that side because yindawo esafuna ukudevelop leya, yabo. I got some contacts abantu aba relevant phayana. When I want to call maybe Sake Sizwe municipality, I know who to call, yabo.
Okay.
When I want maybe to call umayor with that side, I know who to call. When I want to call the office in Krizani district, I know what to call. I know who to call. Yabo, I achieved this into ezinjalo, yabona, and it's people that namqanzothi ndiyafona and ndiyathetha. It's not going to be someone who's I'm going to get back to you and don or at my banjo receptionist lay call. No, I'm going to get them directly because that's the contact and I fumana le.
Yes.
Of which everything that I wanted to achieve Eastern Cape, they achieve 100%. Yeah, what?
Okay. That's nice. Okay. That was it from me. Ngithanda ukubonga le chance onginikeza yona ukuthi ngibe khona ngihlale on this side and that side.
Yes.
Yes, yeah, I feel like a pro now.
Yeah, ne.
Okay, sibonge kubabukeli emakhaya for ukuthi bathathe isikhathi sabo babuke iprogram kaButi Liyanda Philiso benolinda Hani. Sothondosha. Ay simthula besini
Yakahani ne?
Yeah, anyway.
Ukuba ngiqale ndafu uzuthi ekhaya bangancwabi. Okay.
Yeah. So babukele emakhaya ningakhohlwa. Bathini bekwenziwani kuya subscribe, kuya like, kuya follow on social media,
Kuyasharwa.
kuyasharwa.
Yes.
Is it Facebook, TikTok and YouTube, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's MKSA.
Yeah, Instagram na Twitter. I'm not even that active with Instagram and Twitter, but I'm there.
Okay.
I'm there, but I'm not. Instagram, I feel like angaka reach their life yokusebenzisa Instagram.
Yeah, that's
App yokuflex aliya.
Yeah, mangizosho ukuthi that's another topic for another
Yeah,
day.
app yokuflex.
Like I feel like that app is both fake it till you make it.
Yeah.
Ne?
Thing is, I don't want to fake it, but for now, I just know nje ukuthi nah, not yet Instagram, but we're going.
But yeah man mfethu ngibongele isikhathi ongiphe sona wasingciba ke ngokwesasilonda bezindinaso socho some.
Yes.
Socho some. I feel at ease whenever I look at that t-shirt. Even though ingeyiyo le wedding wena uyichoyo, but I wait with pride ngokusala
Yeah.
kuno MK yokusala nyayazi 783
Inhliziyo ne-motive behind
yes
ukukreate
I'll
kwaleya
still
t-shirt.
wait
Yeah,
angeke
yeah.
ngisaklina ngaso so ababe becimfa ngiklina ngaso besicela mabalibala
It's
basazosiza.
fine, man.
Yeah, I should have brought it.
Ngeke ungiphathele ubani ebephethe esami.
No, we never
Akekho
had
umuntu
yours.
ebenesami Nkosi.
At that moment
Yeah.
listen besenzele thini uba singene sixwekweni andithi
Yeah,
sithi sini njengenyoka sikhangele then emveni koko kule batch bizolanda ile besizokwenzela esakho. But yeah, because yeah, I can still give you mine.
Hayi wethu.
Izoba i-crop top.
Crop top.
Yeah.
Sizoba ngaka ku.
Yeah, izoba i-crop top. But yeah, otherwise ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Yeah,
Wish
yeah.
you all the best in your future endeavors and wish you more prosperous years of your programs, your success. I'd say you've already succeeded so far for where you are. Kunabangaphansi kuwo who wishes to be where you are. Uqhube njalo, ungapheli umoya. Keep that spirit.
Yeah, ne.
And just know good, yeah, just because it is siyazazi sipha, you're also a motivation to us, those who think that, you understand? You're also
Yeah,
a motivation, even though we are not in the same route. But yeah, whenever we see you, just know we see a role model, we see an example, esizoyithatha abantwaneni bethu, sibabeka apha phambili, sithi this is MK Luyanda Philiso and so on. Like
Yeah.
we actually the parents now.
The
Of
ambassador
the
of-
future tomorrow.
Yeah.
You
yeah, ne.
understand
Yeah.
abantwana bethu. Ngoku akusakhalwa ngathi kuthiwa in future. Sesithi i-future yabantwana
Yabantwana bethu.
You understand? So you are that one example. Take for instance my son. My first Dala and Russell
I met with him.
He
He
wants
told me
to
the
be
same
a
thing.
YouTuber.
Yeah, Uchilo Nagong, he said, can you invite me to your show?
Like, he's so keen to be a YouTuber with so many Facebook accounts and accept.
Ukuthi yephi yakhe.
Akanayo ne-phone, zezifoni zethu ezi-abuzwayo.
Mane create i-account
Yes,
because
I
ulahla
leave
ama-login
But there's this one angayilahliyo ngitexte ngayo izolo athi good night mama since I no longer stay with them. So yeah,
yeah.
you are actually something emphakathini. Do not look yourself down. Just this was an era nyana.
Unyana kasisi wakho. Khona unyana kasisi wakho uthanda isilungu kakhulu pha.
Junior.
Yeah, uJunior.
Yeah, they've known you of me ukuthi uncane udachise nembiza ubukele ncane imbizi yakhe ndithi ish ndisegruphini kuze kuthiwa ayi ngcono sikuncedise mama sizopheka wena
Sizopheka.
yeka. So yeah, that's how keen like
Yeah,
we're into
yeah,
this, but
yeah.
hopingly in future, even though this one didn't succeed, the one that you wanted, hopingly in future there is something that you're going to do whereby sizovela mhlawumbe side siyenze into ebesifuna uyenza ngayo.
Kule like I was saying earlier, yabo, I appreciate umsebenzi wenu guys. Okay, I know we human, ne?
Yes.
I won't dwell acting hating and all of that. I would focus on me hating you guys. Yabo.
Yes.
Because ngendlela that things happened, I appeared as if and appreciate the efforts zenu. I take you guys light and then tata for granted. that was an insult kuni. Yabo,
Yes.
you didn't deserve like leyo nto leyo. I don't know bangaba yiphi enye indlela mhlawumbe ngesizame ukulungisa ngayo, but then I didn't even say it. Yabo, that is why we actually handled izinto ngendlela esizihandle ngayo. But in all honesty, I would like to actually work with you guys kwakhona. Yabo. And on top of that, I wish between Nina and between Mnanani there can be communication. Yabona la sizohlangana khona, and then maybe where you guys are going to understand about the campaign. Isuka phi, iphelela phi, siphi ngoku, what is happening and all of that. Yabo, because I tell you, it's a very big campaign. It's a very big campaign. Dingaba stubborn ndiyoma phi, I can never do it alone. Ever. I can do the walk or the cycling ton alone, but the campaign on its own, I can never do it alone. Yabo. This first campaign for me be experimental, because for me to learn ukuthi what do I need, what do I not need, and all of that, I needed to actually wake up and do
Of
something.
which that's how it happened to some of us. It became experimental with us. You have never organized anything.
Yeah. But I do not want you guys to look at me and see a leader that is arrogant, that is ungrateful, that is so ongezo zinto ezo. I have a very good heart. I mean, everyone knows that. You know leyo nto leyo. I want us.
Uyazithethelele, uqalile ndiyavuka
Yeah, it's
utsho
fine. Yeah, angcolile mna guys. Yabo, I want us all to succeed. But I do not want us to succeed at the cost of omnye wethu. Yabo. Yeah. I've been like working on drafting indlela esizosebenza ngazo going forward and all of that. I remember I even spoke with Unokzola a couple of days ago ndimcela uba so susele into ntoni xa kucima ikhamera ibonisa bangaka le drink abayiboni xa uyisela.
Okay.
So, yeah, I want to utilize the opportunity there because remember, theme yethu it's unity.
Yes.
Kind of a city steps of unity, because I was walking. This
Yeah.
time I'll be cycling, so it's going to be cycle of unity. Yabo. But okubalekile ukuthi theme yethu it's unity.
Yes.
Yabo. So if ever we can try by all means unite our political parties, guys. Yabo. Because wonke umuntu kuma-political parties udonsele endaweni yakho,
Yes.
endaweni yakho. Omunye ufuna ukuthi lo amoshe so that azolungisa yena instead of working ukuthi sibuild le nto le ibenhle and all of that. So kule campaign ezayo we're going to be creating an opportunity where we'll open doors for our political parties to come and join the campaign and be part of it, sisebenzisane yabo. So izoba ingo-September nge-28. So being 28 zaka-September. If ever sokhona ukuplana kahle ngathi kungaba ne-send off.
Yeah, that's already ideas are running in my head. Okay.
Ngathi kungaba ne-send off ke where wonke ama-political parties that are going to partner with us bazoza, and then bazo ne-brandings zabo and all of that, and then nami xa ndihamba ngebhayisikile those esizopartnera nazo we should have i-brandings zabo.
Okay.
Like as well, even if my flags also,
Okay.
so that buyers with this is a movement
Of unity.
of unity.
All right.
Yeah, but yeah, we are going to build computer lab based in Cape Konapara Elliot.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not saying ngizawuthi xa ndifika phaya
Okay, sekwenjalo, all right.
because there has to be ama-meetings nto I still need to convince them kola side, because to this date angikakabhali anything for mine. I'm still drafting ukuthi yiphi approach engizoyisebenzisa yabo. But yeah, we're gonna be working too much that side. So even kwi-admin team there's going to be a lot of traveling and all of that, because kwezinye indawo you'd find ukuthi whatever event ekumele siyenze, because we'll be going and campaigning from town to town yabo. Like ngizosuka apha sifike Heidelberg. I won't go via Vernacular this time. Sifike Heidelberg town. We are going to engage with people in our
Okay,
we
yes.
talk about the upcoming local elections, what do they want to see happening, and
Yes.
yabo. especially abantu abatsha, because when
Yes.
looking at ama-states we-vote, abantu abatsha ayadrop ama-states wabo.
Yes.
Slowly yet surely
I wouldn't even say abantu abatsha bayadropa wena MK. For the past few years I've been voting. Mostly young people never voted to the age of 35 athi angazi. So instead when it comes to e-youth so far bebengekho baninzi, and instead that smaller nyana group it's not growing instead. Yeah. Understand? Yeah, already vele ulutsha belungavote. Because yesterday I met up with this guy. Bakhuluma, then I come and say, how is your voice going to be heard if manje, if they were to say sifuna ama voices wenu, but ama voices wenu aya ngokwepasi lenu bezitempu zokuvota zingabe, only to find out when you had a huge idea that was going to change the country, then sicela ipasi lakho to find out ukuthi awukaze wavota. I'm turning 33 and you're telling me that you're 36. But only to find out I voted like 3 to 4 times. You've never voted.
Do we?
You
Are
understand?
we actually supposed to throw induku kubantu abangazange bavota?
No, not really. Sengisho ukuthi sengibeka ukuthi just to make him see ukuthi let us vote, maybe eventually our voices will be heard. So now yabona ukuthi besizobe ngaye sele ibekile lento yakhe ngaka that is going to change the whole country. Sekuthiwa lethi ID, then boom. Sesiyiluzile leyo change, but the sengizama, it was a way of me convincing the guy ukuthi even if it's not heard now, as ngangishilo to the first podcast I was here on last ngasho ukuthi I know ukuthi my voice is not heard now, but I'm going to push until my voice is. It doesn't matter ukuthi voice yami is where in 15 years to come, 17 years to come, but masebahleli aba bapha phezulu, they will come back to a day whereby they say, "Ay man, umuntu osoke wayibeka into so." Then they reflect back to that. Kutulinda Haniso Tondeshe once said this. Oksalayo lo nyaka lo, I have hopes and faith that my voice will be heard. You understand? So it was my way of saying, ingaba izoviwa ngoku, ingaba izoviwa kusasa. Ngikhathali noma bazothi silulutsha ngoku bayoyiva sesesimidedevu yamakhehla nani okusalayo izobe seyiviwe ivoice yami. They will come back to me and say, Linda, you've once said this. How about we start working dibese and pension and gogil? But because that's what I want, it will always remain in my heart and in my head. I still want it. No mandingafa. I no longer want it for me, but I want it for my great grandchildren if kuzobe kukulo nyaka lo sendimdala ndife ndisazi ba iyenzeka. You understand? So it was my way of convincing him good. Asipushe insilibele sivelo kusalayo. Eza ideas banazo pha bayaguga zizophela babona ba hey ngoba sifuna ukwehla kwezi zihlalo sikuzo asenama ideas maske sibuyele kwabantwana. Then icho ivakala. You understand?
Yeah, man. So there's quite a lot of things as for attend, especially in the political space.
Yes.
I know Chinabanti politics abangaziyelanga esikoleni and all of that. Basithatha ngathi storm asazi support politics, but hey baba, sithi abaphilayo you are the ones that are affected most.
Yo, wayibeka ngathi ubukhona into elandireport yomntanami esikolweni Saturday. Imasifika emagate notata omile. Para. Yamazulu into. Xolo se. And ndaniboniwe even the first day ndayindane encounter. Uthini mzali? That yo watsho kahle. You do understand uba abantwana abafunda kwezi zikole exesheni langoku sithi abazali. So anisakwazi ukuqhubeka nesithathe njengabantwana benibafundisa. Seyisithi abazali nathi sinelungelo loba ke ngo sikuxelela uba mawenze ntoni ngoba sithi abazali and was like phila nina nento phila thina no. So you reminded me of that and I had everyone say yeah and mangithi nyape yo asisebancinci izinjuba qa zodwa ke ngokwenza izilapha. Yeah, ne?
Yeah, okay, Anna.
Yeah, we grew quickly. Yeah, but otherwise, Ntwana, it was nice being here, and thanks for having me. Okay, hope to show up on this side of the couch more often. I don't wanna miss that. And the phone.
Yeah, no, excuse man, invite her publicly. But I want to sit with you as well and get to understand you, get to understand indlela engakhetha ngayo, because that's most important to me, so that I know I'm mend out and see what I need to do. Because the only time I will be able to mend is when you know damage oyikhozile kuba ngabe ngakanani, yabo. So yeah man, asebenzeni guys, and I tell you ndiyayithanda indlela enanisebenza ngayo. I love it, the unity, yabo. And I still say nangoku I'll find ways zokuhlanganisa kwakhona and then sizosebenzana sonke. But then if ever I manage to do that, I tell you ngizoyenza workshop where sizohlangana khona and then we talk about the campaign as a whole, because I tell you, but think every year sizobe si busy left, right and centers.
Yeah, I do believe that thina asikohlukani, because we spoken ukuthi group angeke yahlukana qhandim or thekohlukana ju. Mina ndiyazi into yenami nefone.
Okay.
Into enami nefone yenzeka ngayo. Ndiyazi into enami nefone, but yeah, whenever iba khona I do reconnect in Bonbani group second, of which I don't know whether it's as active, but sase change negama along the way. So yeah, I do believe that yeah, Tina si sodwa, we still have a connection, we still have contacts of each other. When the more you keep on reaching out and so on, wish you best of luck. Mhlamba omnye ozongena apha akazofila at home njengami. Afikathi azifika izinyanya zathu, wena winamanga siyakwehlisa ungoyena sizokwehlisa.
Khumbula ndaya kulomama ndandiyobeka ilitye kugogo. So I was like, nah, let me visit everyone since ndilapho. And then go like, yo, uyasithakatha.
Bengasakulandeleli, but the only thing that I did notice noma ubuye wayinotice now on Facebook, since ndingekho that much active kwezinye social media, but I did notice ebiyale in the head qhanqonba to somebody else who's heartless bekumele bimjabulise and so on. Ndiye ndabona ukuthi audience yakho on Facebook, you wouldn't post a thing namhlanje nenokufike ekusasa usasena 20 something likes or reactions or whatsoever in comments. We're very active in posts. Then that is when I started paying so much attention to, even though bendingasa react ndinani, but ndinalantu, I'm not that upset. I feel bad. I feel like we are the cause, because now he's dropping. I wonder, isn't it affecting podcast and stuff? Yes, the main. So that is when libale ke ndibhale MK ngafimva ndithi fuck leadership inside kucho ivele kuvele kungona, because iyalindixake futhi mina when it comes to YouTube, I'm not so much into YouTube. So that is when I felt like, okay, and now mangibheka kwaposta graduation kaNosibusiso and so on, but now we are so much active kuThulani than you understand? Not that I'm comparing you guys, but that is how I felt like, okay, he's dropping. People are very upset at him. I just hope I just hope he'd recover and as kanjani ngiyafisa ukuthi ngenza. So yeah, I don't know, nami phofundi ndithetha kanje man bekalibona igqoka xa lingaphumeleli imane loqoba uyaqhubeka like imane qoba like I feel bad. So that is when you communicated with me, jump bedding ngona I don't want to communicate ndingakakuboni ngeso lenyama.
Yeah.
But I did felt ukuthi ethi ngimcheck uNtanazi but no ndifuna umbona ngeso
Guess
le nyama ndimthuka uba ndiyamthuka ndisuse le nto esesifubeni sami but when I jumped and then my girl was like uzohamba uyohlala
You guys actually did. I remember when there was a campaign. I remember when there was a phela ke kwabanela campaign ethi the cancellation of MK.
It wasn't a campaign mina ngikhanselile ngaphuma kusa cancela supposed to qha
Yeah.
so yayiphi ke ngoku icampaign de cancellation
What is a campaign? When something bahlangana ngeagenda eyi-one. That is called a campaign.
but yes
You guys were
thina
campaigning.
sicancele qha we're not cancelling MK
Yeah.
we're cancelling the homecoming
The homecoming.
that's it so ndakubona
There was a post ethi the cancellation of MK. Yayeka nokuzola. You guys were like, okay, even if Zangu Ibonye or comment, you guys were there. Boop, 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 and
because when I saw umuntu oyewa like kobe sekuvela so posted these guys zebicycle to Cape Town and so kwalapho ke ngokusengiqala nibadermakake understand ba nansakwatele lo bang hey ke zizicreenshot hey ulinda uyathwasa
you know what I learned about those guys? I wanna respond to ukudropa kwe-engagement Facebook whatever yamne siyeza la. You were mentioning these guys. The reason why I shared their post there, I knew bangaba amaphaphu wena phezulu. No one is gonna get the context, but then that's not the point. Those guys is iyenzile campaign yazo. Campaign amachita was successful. Same way eyame campaign ebizoba successful ngayo. They got sponsors in and all of that. But whatever that was the reason for Baba Yenzi campaign, they didn't achieve.
yes
Yabo? I did not want to achieve into engasile bendiyifuna of which ile yale campaign. And nok achieve or unga-achieve was not a problem. For me the only problem was the wedding. And the only problem that I had with the wedding was because that wedding affected brand.
yeah because you know what happened there? It was now with me na bayibiza ngani ephele mothwathi now once again ngoku whatever that I was doing around me kube nisiphithiphithi you understand ba ndisadila nale heartbreak kukho abantu ufuna imoto nendlu
Yeah,
kukho
kufuna into
abathi
ntoni. Yeah.
then kunale post yakho yabafana then uzothi uyanazo ke besingixelela ufuna imoto nendlu
Ufuna imoto
then
nendlu
boom
nantoni.
sekuthiwa yena nsingawo indaba ku yabona ngoku mina eyami ingqondo ithatha into I wouldn't say I'm slow
Yeah.
but ndiyakwazi ukuthi ndi-slow mna because into ipoint ndiyifumana after so ndizindiphendula le
Kube sekudala
induku
kuvele
zikhala
lezi-
ngapha
Yeah.
induku zikhala ngapha so kulapho ndavela ndabona eish let me just write me you both we know ukuthi what's happening because now we're confused because asazi bakumosheke you understand
Yeah.
then there are people coming out ufuna imoto ne ufuna you understand so xa seyilapha yonke kulapho bengingasakhomenti nothini qombe yazi intoni manje izile kwa iFacebook ngoba iFacebook yama anisaboni naba abajayivayo
Kwenzeka
kuvela nje MK
and during that time ye counseling enye into beyimotivate abantu kakhulu andithi ngoku i-social media seyakubhatala ngoku engagement so wamention
People
the
were
word
engaging
MK
me.
yabo yo bazoflada abantu there's people abawithdraw ama-dollars abawafumene ngegama lami let's face it guys inyani there's people who've withdrawn ama-dollars abawafumene
I'm not the only thing that I've gained ngegama lakho. I did see
Yabo.
following people were approaching it we saw this understand
Yeah.
that's what I would admit but hey man uFacebook hayi kunendamenzi uFacebook afuna ngibhatala
so i-engagement ye-Facebook nokudropha kwayo and stuff ne okay before i-public post le ndiyazi uba yiyo lezodestroy abantu le post le I looked at ama-stats wami we-YouTube yabo i-following that I have ku-YouTube I have it akusiyayiyo eMzansi yabo iMzansi it's less than 2% i-following yayo on my YouTube channel that are 21 or 22 subscribers ngoku in counting. It's less than 2% following South Africa. That's what I calculated, number one. Number two, if South Africa it's less than 2%, that means le group enfollowayo and that is angry at the cancellation of parade and all of that. Xa benicancela angeke affecte my main platform. Obviously on Facebook umuntu uzokwata and all of that, but there's gonna be a process where sizomenda khona ekugqibeleni. Ukhumbule ukuthi not all of us are looking for numbers and all of that. I for one want to change lives. Yabo? There's no point in posting a post and then there's Leo 200 reactions, 1,000 reactions, nama comments abaya, and akho mntu ubomi bakho buzotshintsha ngaleyo post leyo. Yabo? The 200 people enzothi xa niposte i-episode ye-podcast bayibukele, that 200 people, it's people that athe ahleli, what, let me take my phone or on my laptop or on my TV, let me search MK ndizobukela i-podcast yakhe, either yeSebi or Leadership Insight or Let Us Reflect kuma Steps of Unity or anything azofuna ukuyibukela under MK because of something eyenzayo empilweni zabo that I did not even know nam. Yabo? So it didn't bother me. It still doesn't bother me ndokuba xa niposta anything people do not react. I understand i-wave ye-social media ukuthi people are taking those topics ozibonayo bakufana nangoku you post anything positive on Facebook angeke yabo, but should I post and say yo so everyone's gonna be there, yo sile no yonke lonto leyo indlela yethu le. So I would never say drop engagement or take up team, because people that were following me for the right reasons before a campaign, the numbers is nukile compared to before a campaign.
Funny part as India's hours, I never followed you.
Yeah, in numbers kupukile, because even the cancellation, when you look at the number of followers that I had on Facebook before and after the campaign, it's nukile kakhulu. Go on TikTok, it's nukile kakhulu. Even pha kwindo YouTube zahlala zinuka ke pha. I would never tell you ukuthi kahle zinyusileyo, but still zinyukile kakhulu. So I knew man uba ihame ezawuyenza lento le, it's only going to be on Facebook, because everyone angry da ku Facebook. And kengoku it even got to a point where wonke umuntu bekakwatile wakwata wazi-enjoya wazivisa to a point where i-reality yahita ke ngoku to say, but no man, he had a point kada, even though thina ingqondo zethu neenhliziyo zethu besezifuna lento le, yes we felt disappointed, hurt and all of that. Yabo? But for someone who's following me for umsebenzi wami, we are on the right track. For someone who's following me because ugade bangabanza uthetha kakuhle kuye, or everybody else is following me, useless. Useless. You are just stats nje esiborayo into izinto zami. I tell you, let's follow each other. Kwatani.
But otherwise, Chomi, labana we're enjoying sitting here, and I'm getting too comfortable in this throne. Don't make me not wanna move from it.
Okay, call.
Yeah. But yeah, hence, besanchilo vele. Cha kuba abasinga manqoko, but Choma man, wish you all the best in there too.
Thank you.
Yeah, it was nice for the first time since Ebuyile call. It's in Chris Hani district.
Yes. Yeah, Chris Hani district.
Since Ebuyile, it's actually my first time laying my eye on you. I should have strangled you, but yeah. Ooh, but not that final. Yeah, so man, it was nice chilling with you, Sport. Yeah, it's been a pleasure.
It's a conversation, yes.
Yeah.
it's really a conversation.
Yeah, this time we actually dwelled way in. But I'm looking forward to hearing what you have for us.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
hopefully this time around we'll hear you.
So sebenza sonke.
Wishing you all the luck on the others.
Yeah man. Yeah man.
Zozo?
Yeah man.
Ungamdedeli. Umthi.
Nokuzola.
For me.
Nokuzola mama. Ungamnaki.